Hello, and welcome to the Honda CRV seat covers installation guide video. Check if you have all the front and rear seat covers and other accessories. Take out the metal hooks from the front headrest cover. Press the tab to remove the headrest. Slide the driver's seat backrest cover over the front seat backrest. Distinguish the driver's and passenger seat backrest cover by checking the airbag tag at the door side. Tuck the rear of the backrest cover into the gap and pull it out from behind. Connect the metal hook to the elastic strap and later hook this metal hook underneath the base and avoid electric wires. The position of the cloth bag can distinguish the driver's seat cushion from the passenger seat cushion. Tuck the rear of the driver's seat cushion into the gap and pull it out from behind. Pass the two knitting straps from the bottom of the seat to the back of the seat. Note that when you pass through the two knitting straps under the seat, be sure that they are closed to the bottom surface of the seat and pass over the seat adjustment lever. Connect the metal hooks respectively to the two elastic straps. Hang the two metal hooks on the edge of the back pocket. Pass the knitting strap through the plastic tension lock and pull it forward to tighten the knitting strap. Another one is done in the same way. Connect the metal hooks respectively to the two elastic straps at the tail of the backrest cover, and then hook them underneath the base and avoid electric wires. Hook the other two metal hooks of the backrest cover underneath the base to avoid electric wires. Tuck the cloth bag and the edge of the driver's seat cushion into the gap. Note that the direction of the headrest cover and headrest shall be consistent. The driver's seat cover has been installed. Install the front passenger seat cover in the same way. Unzip the armrest cover and slide the rear backrest cover over the rear backrest. Zip up the armrest cover. Tuck the two straps and the end of the backrest seat cover into the gap and pull them out from behind. Two straps of the backrest cover from the back of the seat, and then stick the two straps together with the end of the backrest cover. Install the rear seat cushion. Connect the metal hooks to the two elastic strap and later hook the metal hooks underneath the base and avoid electric wires. Tuck the two knitting straps into the gap and pull them out from front. Pass the knitting strap through the plastic tension lock and pull it forward to tighten the knitting strap. Another one is done in the same way. Now, hook the two metal hooks underneath the base and avoid electric wires. Other rear seat cushion in the same way. Now, all the seat covers of CRV